Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Some athletics news is where we start. Former Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association J3A's president Dr. Warren Blake is refuting claims that Adidas made an offer to partner the local athletics governing body in 2013. Dr. Blake believes there are agents working behind the scenes to stir up controversy. As reported by TVJ Sports on Thursday, Adidas has made a proposal to sponsor the J3As a total of $6 billion over the next 8 years, starting in 2025. But local track and field's governing body is currently in a contract with another German sportswear giant, Puma. TVJ Sports understands that Adidas had also tried to enter the fray back in 2013, but Dr. Warren Blake, who was J3A's president at the time, is refuting those claims. He says Adidas showed an interest and the J3As indicated to them that they should make a formal bid, but
the response of Adidas was, it's very instructive. They said they would be interested in bidding on such rights, and it is their understanding that there is presently a contract between J3As and Puma, which grants Puma exclusive sponsorship rights. As such, Adidas will only be willing to submit a bid in response to our letter if and when the J3 is free to contract with a new sponsor. And they refused to submit a bid, and no bid was ever submitted to the J3s.
Dr. Blake says he has seen information bandied about that could be damaging to the J3As, as well as his own character, and says he is willing to take the legal route to defend his reputation.
Suggestions on social media by some of these same principals suggesting that J3As must have a reason why it's not accepting such a massive bid by Adidas. And even without saying it, you are implicitly suggesting that something else went between Puma and J3As, why J3As is sticking with Puma. And I would like all parties to cease and desist, because if they continue to pursue this line of argument, which suggests that there's something went wrong, why J3As did not accept their bid in 2013, then I will have to speak to my lawyers.
Dr. Blake says there are nefarious forces at play.
I think there are agents of Adidas operating in a covert manner trying to do damage to the J3As brand.
In the meantime, Adidas responded to TVJ's request for a comment on the proposal made to the J3As on Friday. In an email response, Senior Director of Sports Marketing at Adidas, Spencer Nell, called the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association one of the best track and field federations in the world, with an incredible history. He added that they are always looking to collaborate with leading federations across sport and would welcome an opportunity to work together in the future. Nell also said that Adidas has a long and successful history of working together with leading Jamaican athletes and sponsor numerous high schools and invest heavily into sports development at both the grassroots and elite level, with programs like the Racers Track Club.